An efficient braking system is crucial for safety. An immediate and precise response of the braking system guarantees the vehicle will stop safely. For this reason, checking and always monitoring the state of wear of the braking system is essential for your safety. If you feel vibrations on the brake pedal or notice an unjustified increase of the braking distance, if the car pulls to the right or left when braking, or if you experience pedal failure, it could mean your braking system needs a checkup, for instance on the wear of the brake pads or the brake fluid. In this case, you can always contact your dealership or trusted authorized workshop. You are guaranteed help from qualified technicians and the use of original spare parts. Adequate maintenance of the braking system guarantees not just your own safety, but that of your passengers and all pedestrians.